Okay, good morning. We're going fishing. It's 6:14 right now. Don't really know why we're up, but that's what we do. So y'all can sit on the couch and watch us fish. So we got up at 4:30 this morning. We got about it was like a 3-hour drive. I think we got probably like 2 left or something like that. So, but we're headed out east, Colorado, to John Martin Reservoir. If you never heard of it, it's some really great fishing. So we're hoping that the crappie are turned on, and we'll try to catch us some white bass and stripers and whatever else. So we got the boat loaded up, and we'll see y'all out there. All right, we just made it to our first little spot. We got our lines out. Let's see if we can pick up these crappie. So y'all stick with us, and we'll see if we can turn them up. Pretty day today. So we'll try some different depths with our cork and see where they're hanging at. All right, fishing's been slow, but I just caught.
Matt just caught a slab, son. Look at that crappie, dude.
He's got a big old gash in his head. But it's been,
the water is stinking.
We just
shallow, man, and
marker.
we just found a ton on our fish marker, so we're gonna try to set up.
Sorry, I didn't have my GoPro on yet. I was trying to save my battery until we find the fish, and it just unexpectedly. But that is a pig.
Dude, that's a snag.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get him on.
Oh.
Same thing happened to me. I must have been on bottom. Please don't come on.
Good one. Show him to me. Where's Slab Nation, baby. I've raised it up 2 foot. Yeah. Dad's hooked up. Finally, we in them. We in them, baby. Slab, baby. Oh, no. Oh, no. Huh? On the rig, Dad. On the rig. On the rig. Way out there. What is that, dude? Yes, baby. Dad. Dad. Dude, I just started reeling this thing. Yeah, baby. Yes. On the freaking Alabama rig. I ain't never done that before. Dude, as soon as it hit the water, I'm talking about slaking. Alabama rig, baby. Yeah, pink and white.
White?
Pink and white.
White, because they ain't gonna fight on this one. Which one you got?
Dad, I got another one of those if you want it. Yeah, baby. Slab.
Here you go. Got him off that was my fish.
Off the old minnow. Oh, good crappie, dude.
Oh,
and I'm caught on your line. I could feel some resistance. It's gonna get off. Just get him and then I'll unhook him. All right. That's a good one. Camera. Oh, that's a slab.
yeah, it's a slab. Catch about 15 or 20 of them.
Way out there. Oh, nope. Uh-oh.
There you go. Bring them on in here. Yes, sir. Nothing wrong with that one.
I'm gonna fall in this water. Whew. There we go. Slabradoodle. Instead of a labradoodle, that's a slabradoodle. I ain't that big, but he's alright.
Did it break?
Yeah.
What the heck is that? Ooh. That's a good one. Oh. I don't know if it's just a big crappie or he just fights hard. Get him, just reel him in. Doubled up on the same pole.
Dude, this thing is huge.
No, that's my one.
Get the net, get the net.
Sucker on my pole. Look at that.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
I'll take him.
I'll get them like